Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another video. We are heading up north again. This time we're going a little bit further. We are going out at Mangawai, one of our favorite spots. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can get some fish. It's supposed to be a glass day today, so we'll see when we get out there. Hopefully it is. As you can see, I'm wearing a beanie. Yeah, it's winter and it's freaking freezing, but that's all good. Apparently the snapper fishing, checking if our jet ski is still there. Apparently the snapper fishing is supposed to be good, so hopefully we can get some good fish, and I'll take you guys with us. But anyway, catch you out there. Go, baby. Bit of a misty day out on the water. Let's do this.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
That sail rock. It's so misty you can barely see it. Man. Shit, that's misty, eh? She's on the drop. What do you want to bet me I get a fish on this drop?
I'm not talking to you.
First drop. Oh, I think he's off. Whoop, no, he's still there.
Aside from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Good little snapper. We'll keep you for a feed later. Good fish? Right, getting some bug. That doesn't feel too bad. Not too bad. I'll keep you for dinner. Let's see if we can get something on some fresh kahawai. Man, just look at this day. Not a breath of wind. And the fishing's on. This doesn't really feel like a snapper. I wonder what it is. Hey, it's a little big-eyed snapper. Haven't caught one of these in a while. Sussy's on! Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. Yum. Yum.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a soul. Now there goes a sight from my
Woohoo! It's tiny. It's like really small.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause
Let's
you
go closer to the main island.
my imperfections,
There's some fish around there.
answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show
Man,
me.
just look at that. Absolutely glossy.
No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
Apparently this is quite a good spot. We're sitting at about 40 odd meters depth at the moment. But yeah, how good is this, man? Damn, oh man. What's up guys, we are at our spot now. As you can see, there is just fish everywhere. There's like a bunch of bait fish, just the whole, like literally all the way around me, so that's quite good. I've already got, just got a nice bite there, sorry. I've already got 2 fish in the bin, so that's a good start to the day. Keen to get some big daddies and have some fun, something that'll take some line. It'll be ideal, but yeah, we'll see how we go. This is honestly one of my favorite spots, and it's probably my 3rd or 4th time over here. Man, it's just, what a day. Just take a moment and take that in. And look at all those little fish behind me. Water's like boiling over here, man. Oh, that's awesome. But anyway, let me go catch up with the rest of the guys. I'll see you guys now. If I can get one more snap. Oh man, this feels like a good fish. Come on. Good fish.